Welcome to the Bullish Money YouTube channel. I am specifically reaching out to my fellow STEEMians. I gotta do these videos way earlier. I've just been quite busy today, actually quite busy this whole week. As many of you know, I do analysis for Investor Place Media, and it's earnings cycle or earning season, and it's just been a nightmare. And then of course we just saw the volatility in the markets, and everybody's just cranking away, and we all have to change our thesis to accommodate the rapid change that we saw in the markets, and probably significantly more enhanced volatility, so to speak, in the coming weeks and months ahead. But of course, that really doesn't concern us. I mean, I was laughing when the Dow and the S&P 500 together lost about 2%. The NASDAQ Composite Index, I believe, lost about 2.6% against the prior session. I was laughing. I think it's hilarious, because I think it's hilarious that there's so many people that are buying into this garbage with the paper equity markets, and the real impetus behind finance, in my opinion, is a cryptocurrency. Now, STEEMit in particular, or the STEEM currency, I wanted to share with you some findings that I discovered. You probably discovered this yourself, but I just wanted to share it to the entire STEEMit community, just in case you may not have noticed it. That beginning on May 12th, we saw a little bit of a dip. Okay, we saw actually a pronounced dip in the price. Then the following day, the price of STEEM went up again, and then on the 14th, the price dipped down, making another pronounced dip. The next day, the price went up, and then the next day, the price again made a pronounced dip. So on the 12th, the 14th, and the 16th, you see pronounced dips. That's a very, very positive trend. In technical analysis, when you see a chart of higher highs and higher lows, that indicates a stable, bullish trend channel. And that's very positive, of course. So I mention this because if we are in this bullish trend channel, and from my perspective, it looks like every 2 days we see a pronounced dip, but those dips are moving higher and higher. So the 18th, which is tomorrow, is going to be a very significant technical movement for the STEEM price. This again is a granular point. I'm a long-time believer in the STEEM currency, so this does not affect my long-term bullish opinion about the STEEM currency and generally cryptocurrencies. However, I'm just pointing out a granular development that we're seeing right now. So tomorrow, I believe, is going to be a very important technical juncture. If we do get a dip tomorrow, and right now, as I'm making this video, the STEEM price is about 92, 93 cents compared to the US dollar. So we could see a dip tomorrow, May 18th. The key question, though, is whether that dip will be higher than the dip 2 days prior. If so, it is a continuation of this bullish trend channel, and that would spark more confidence, especially among the newcomers. We are seeing tremendous volume coming in. Now, well over a million shares, so to speak, of STEEM. We've never seen this before. Last year, you were lucky to get 50,000 in terms of volume. Now we're seeing a million plus, which is phenomenal, which is great. However, I will say that if we have a dip tomorrow and that dip is lower than the dip of 2 days ago, it's not a problem, again, from a long-term perspective, but I will want to caution people that may subject Steem to some nearer term volatility. Again, it's if you have a long-term perspective like I do, it's not a big deal, but in terms of loading up the boat, so to speak, tomorrow could be a big day. So I just wanted to share that with you. I just noticed that there was a distinct pattern. Every 2 days we see a pronounced dip. Perhaps we can advantage that. If indeed, I look at it as this is a win-win. If the price of Steem collapses tomorrow below the established lows that we have seen over the past couple of days, that is a time to load up more Steem. If not, we can enjoy some great profitability because we are trending in my opinion, a very strong bullish channel. And who knows? I mean, if it continues in this bullish channel, I would say hold on, because $1 is we're going to hit that real quickly, and then we may be on to $1.50, $2 pretty soon, so long as that trend channel holds up, and so long as the volume holds up, the enthusiasm holds up. And the thing about the volume is that I'm more bullish about the volume. I mean, the volume is just phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. How many people are coming on board Steem? How many people are coming on board and participating in the currency, participating within the community? It's phenomenal, because I go on YouTube every now and then to upload my videos, like this video, and I have people, subscribers and other people following in, and they see my video because I put the Steemit search tag, and they come to me and they talk to me and they tell me that, hey, I just joined Steem a couple weeks ago. I'm really enjoying it. Thank you for putting out this video. All that stuff. There's so much positivity around the Steemit and the Steem opportunity. Of course, this is anecdotal, so I'm just speaking from one person's perspective, but I'm just sharing that perspective because I am heavily involved in social media and content creation, and I've been noticing this tremendous positive feedback from people that are used to other social media networks. So I think this is all just a win-win-win all across the board. By the end of this year, I think you're going to see some great things. Okay, I said that we're going to go back to $4. Who knows? With this kind of enthusiasm, which has exceeded my expectations, we could be seeing $6, $8. Maybe we might even get to $10. Of course, that is speculation. That's just, again, my opinion. But this enthusiasm is unreal. It is truly unreal.